We will now discuss how to safely remove parts from our print bed. All we will need to remove our parts is a scraper. First, we will need to remove the print bed from our printer. We want to never attempt to remove any part while the print bed is still installed in the printer. We will now rest the print bed on the ground and securely brace it against our leg. Note, make sure we stand in such a way that the scraper cannot strike our feet even by accident. And we want to keep our bracing hand above the part at all times. You want to maintain a low angle between the scraper and print bed while you are removing your part. Scraping at a steeper angle may damage your print bed. To lift a part without damaging it, level the scraper against the bed with the edge touching one of the corners of your part. Then push downwards towards the center. Maintain pressure until the part pops off your bed and onto the ground. If the glue has dried, you can run some warm water over it to rehydrate the glue and loosen your part. However, you do not want to immerse the print bed or your part in water.